If your voice cracks when you speak, sounds thin and weak, or people constantly ask you to repeat yourself, your body is screaming for help. Low voice depth doesn't just affect how others see you. It's destroying your confidence, your dating life, and your ability to command respect. But once you apply these 10 voice-maxing secrets, everything changes. No expensive treatments, no surgery, just simple methods that work permanently. Here's why this matters so much. A deep voice is a biological signal of dominance and high testosterone. Studies prove women find men with deeper voices more attractive, and people with deep voices command more respect in every situation. Now, most guys think their voice is genetic and can't be changed. Wrong. Your vocal cords can be trained. The thicker they are, the deeper your voice. And these 10 secrets will show you exactly how to maximize that depth permanently. Let's dive in. Secret number 1. Master diaphragm breathing. This is the foundation everything else builds on. Right now, do a test. When you breathe, do your shoulders move up and down? If yes, you're doing shallow breathing. This is killing your voice depth. Deep voices come from your diaphragm, not your throat. When you breathe, your stomach should expand, not your shoulders. This technique feels strange at first, but it's non-negotiable. Without this, everything else is irrelevant. Here's how to practice. Lie flat on your back. Place one hand on your chest, one on your belly. Breathe in slowly through your nose. Your belly hand should rise. Chest hand stays still. Exhale slowly. Do this for 5 minutes daily. Within 1 week, you'll notice your voice sounds fuller and more resonant. Secret number 2. Hydrate, like your voice depends on it. Your vocal cords are literally 2 muscles. When they're dehydrated, they shrink and tighten, making your voice thin and weak. According to studies, 75% of people are chronically dehydrated. This is probably why your voice can't reach its full potential. The fix is simple but critical. Drink water constantly. Get a 2-liter bottle, fill it twice daily, keep it at room temperature. Drink 1 liter an hour before any important conversation or date. Your vocal cords will be conditioned and ready. Cold water constricts your vocal cords and raises pitch. Always room temperature or warm. This alone will drop your voice noticeably within days. Secret number 3. Practice humming variations. Humming warms up your vocal cords and trains them to vibrate at lower frequencies. But not regular humming. You need variations. Start with a low hum, then gradually shift to your highest pitch without breaking the sound. Then reverse it, high to low. Do this for 5 minutes every morning. This gives you complete control over your vocal range and strengthens the muscles that produce deep tones. Add this. Hum while doing diaphragm breathing. Breathe deep into your stomach, then hum as you exhale. This combines both techniques and accelerates results. Secret number 4. Strengthen your neck muscles. Your vocal cords are surrounded by sternocleidomastoid muscles. When these are weak or tense, they put pressure on your vocal cords, making your voice higher pitched. Here's the safest exercise. Sit up straight, shoulders relaxed. Turn your head right, hold 5 seconds. Return to center. Turn left, hold 5 seconds. Repeat this 3 times daily. This relaxes and strengthens your neck muscles, giving your vocal cords space to thicken and deepen naturally. You'll notice results within 2 weeks. Secret number 5. Speak with downward inflection. This is a psychological trick that makes you sound instantly more commanding. Most guys end sentences on a higher note, which sounds weak and uncertain. Instead, end every sentence on a lower note. For example, instead of saying, "Hi, my name is John," with rising inflection, say, "Hi, my name is John," with falling inflection. Hear the difference? This technique is called down talking. Actors like Morgan Freeman use this constantly. It tricks people into thinking your voice is deeper than it actually is and makes you sound more authoritative. Secret number 6. Practice speaking with your nose closed. This exercise eliminates nasal voice, which sounds thin and weak. Close your nose with your fingers and speak a full sentence. You'll hear how nasal your voice normally is. Now practice speaking the same sentence without that nasal tone, even with your nose closed. Your goal is to make both versions sound identical. This forces you to speak from your diaphragm and chest, not your nose. Do this 5 minutes daily. Your voice will sound fuller and more masculine within 1 week. Secret number 7. Slow down and add pauses. Speaking fast makes you sound nervous and raises your pitch. Confident men speak slowly, with deliberate pauses. When someone asks you a question, pause for 1 to 2 seconds before answering. This does 2 things. It lowers your voice naturally because you're relaxed, and it makes you seem more thoughtful and dominant. Try this right now. Speak a sentence quickly. Now speak the same sentence slowly with pauses. The second version sounds deeper and more powerful every single time. Secret number 8. Boost your testosterone naturally. Testosterone directly controls vocal cord growth. Higher testosterone equals thicker vocal cords equals deeper voice. This is why your voice dropped during puberty. The fastest way to boost testosterone? Sprints. Do 3 sets of 30-second sprints every day. This naturally spikes testosterone, removes facial bloating through sweating, and deepens your voice permanently over time. Add heavy compound lifts, squats, deadlifts, bench press. These trigger massive testosterone release and create the hormonal environment for a deeper voice. Secret number 9. Stop breathing through your mouth. Mouth breathing damages your vocal cords and weakens your jawline. It dries out your throat, making your voice raspy and weak. Start breathing through your nose exclusively. This keeps your vocal cords hydrated and healthy. Tape your mouth shut at night if you have to. Nasal breathing is non-negotiable for voice depth. Secret number 10. Train with the pen and mouth technique. This enhances clarity and control. Place a pen horizontally in your mouth, bite down gently, and speak for 5 to 10 minutes daily. This forces you to articulate clearly and strengthens the muscles involved in speech. When you remove the pen, your voice will sound clearer, more controlled, and naturally deeper because you've trained the supporting muscles. Listen, these 10 secrets work because they fix the root cause. Your vocal cords need training, hydration, and the right hormonal environment. Give them that, and your voice will drop permanently. Most guys want a magic pill. There isn't one. But these natural methods work permanently. Start today with just one technique. In 30 days, you'll sound like a completely different man. Your voice defines how people see you. Stop accepting weakness. Take control and become the powerful man you're meant to be. That's it. If you're ready to level up and become the best version of yourself, hit subscribe, turn on the bell, and check the link in the description.